Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make one single name on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to only have a single name on your Facebook, you don't want your surname or your middle name. Now to do that, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Facebook. After opening up your Facebook, just simply tap on the three-dot icon or your profile icon, and then tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After doing that, from here just simply tap on see more in account center, and then tap on the profile. After tapping on profile, just simply select your Facebook and then tap on name. After tapping on name, from here you don't have to enter your middle name, but you have to enter your surname. But what we can do is just simply use a trick. Just simply select our surname and then remove it, and then add a dot. After doing that, now you can just simply tap on review change. After tapping on review change, now you'll find that you only have one name and you have a full stop in front of that name. You can just simply do that if you like, but currently we don't have any feature that will allow us to add only one name on Facebook. You can just simply use this trick and then you can add one name on your Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to make one single name on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.